So this is all about guards and how these guard systems behave after this latest update 16.6, I think, or 6.16, whatever. So currently, as of the situation now, the guards works like with appointments like this. And what are the benefits which it will show from the benefits? This way the guards actually give some stats around 630, 650, probably after getting it maxed. To mid stat it's up to 650, I think, and the troop stats will be 450, around 440 or 450. So that is the max, that is when it all get maxed. Suppose yeah, this guard is maxed, so it's giving 220%, 220% on troop defense. So definitely it's a quartermaster. So and this guard is captain, it's health and attack, so it's 220. So it's 660, the after the moment it gets maxed. So it should be 440% on troops benefits, and mid stats will be given 660%. So that's after appointment of 6 guards, 6 combat guards, except this innovator and array. So if we appoint these 6 guards with all 6 starred, max to 6 starred, and level must be at least 65 to attain these benefits of combat stats, troop stats of 40%, and mid stats of, that is, infantry health, infantry attack, infantry defense, cavalry health, cavalry attack, cavalry defense, distance health, distance attack, distance defense of 660%. Now it comes up with march capacity. Once you get these guards march capacity to once you get these guards maxed on stars, if you get these 6 guards max to 6 stars, then it will be, it each will give 25,000. So 6 will give you 150,000. That is the maximum. And these, all these benefits are through appointments. And if we talk about troop training speed and all these things, these are given by development guards. Definitely this after, and this guard, if you if I appoint it here, then it will give you 72%, and that, and this guard after getting it maxed, it will give 72% as well. So 144% will be that bonus. So that was up for the appointment of all these 6 guards. Now there are further ways that these guard systems working. Another appointment which is latestly being introduced is this lieutenant appointment. So now I'm talking about these 6 combat slots, 6 combat, 6 into 2, that is 6 by 2, 12 combat slots. So this is where you are getting again stats. This stats is around just approximately 500% on mid stat, and around 250% on combat, on troop stats. Okay, so after maxing it out, it will be 260 to 70% on troop stats, and it would be around 550 to 560% around on mid stats, that is infantry health, infantry defense, distance health, cavalry health, all this. Okay, so this is how the second this is how this benefits through the appointment of lieutenant appointment, what is being latestly introduced, these were guards working. Okay, so one is normal appointment of the guards, this appoint a guard you get, and then these other 20 other 16 slots where you need to appoint these guards. I'm talking about the combats one, so these are the combat slots where these guards gives you these sorts of benefits, and after maxing out these benefits, this will be again around 270 to 260 to 270% on troop stats, and around 600% on 550 to 600% on mid stats. And these two were for through appointment benefits.